Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karina here with another video. Today's video is going to be on a makeup review. By the title you're gonna know what it is. It is the new shade in the Fenty bronzer, which I'm so excited about. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Let's get right into it. So as I mentioned before, it is the Fenty Beauty Sun Stalkr Instant Warmth Bronzer in the color Thick Mint. I really like that name. And I like that that's my color. Well, I'm hoping that is my color. Haven't tried it on. Still in the package. Everything sealed up. I'm trying it with you guys for the first time. So if it's trash, you guys will see you'll naturally see the reaction to it. Just gonna quickly prime my face. Honestly, literally started this whole thing from the beginning. Just so you guys know, I'm going for the no makeup look. So I'm not really doing a full face beat here. And also, if you see the pimples on my face, just like bear with me. I blame myself. I went to get dermaplaning when I shouldn't have done it. And now, like, ever since then, I've been breaking out everywhere, which is weird because it's not a side effect. And I know this has nothing to do with the video, but while I prime my face, I'm gonna let you know. Right here is so much darker, as you guys can tell. I have like small bumps. It's very textured. Don't do something if nothing is wrong with your face. Nothing was wrong with my face, and I just played myself. Anyways, quickly just primed with the Hangover primer, and that's really it. I'm gonna go in and just color correct right here because I have to now. Using the Fit Me powder in dark, real quick. Oh, sorry, this is so sad. See, we always be doing too much. Like, oh, let's try this because everybody else is doing it. Don't do that. If nothing was wrong with my face, it was hairy and perfect. It's fine. It's fine. I learned my lesson. Now I'm just gonna have to nurse my face back to normal. But yeah, the breakouts have been crazy. Like, and it's made me sad. Okay, so looks a little bit better. So now that I have fixed this a little bit, I'm just gonna quickly go in and conceal some of the spots on my face because I have to now because I'm a hot mess. Thank you, dermaplaning. Okay, cool. So when I do that, let me use this sponge right here. Yeah, what should we talk about today? I haven't done one of these reviews in a while. I don't really do skin, but honestly, when I saw that she dropped that color, I was so happy because that Mocha Mommy color really wasn't doing it for the dark skins. I'm like, fam, like, who's wearing that? So, okay, cool. So you can kind of see, like, this is minimal. Okay, so I'm just gonna go on with my foundation. I was gonna use Rare Beauty, but you know what? We're gonna switch it up. I'm gonna use the Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation in Deep Bronze by Becca Cosmetics. So it looks like this. It's a tad too light, so I'm literally just gonna put a touch of this YSL foundation in the color B90 just to darken it slightly, and then use that. But before I do that, I'm actually going to use Rare Beauty blush in the color Love and just get that underneath the foundation for now. Okay, cool. So it's a little bit much, but when you put the foundation and stuff on top, you're solid. So as you can see, still super light beat. So the bronzer, I'm really excited. Bringing everything together. So let's do the foundation. And if you don't know this foundation, it's like very, very, very lightweight, and it comes in like a little squeezy tube like this. As you can see, dripping down my face, it's very, very lightweight. And literally, that is all I do. Just drop here. It's funny. Okay, and literally that's it. So I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, my skin looks really nice on camera. But it's so lightweight. And then I just take this and put it on the actual sponge itself and just dab it into each section. So as you see me blending it out, you see how lightweight it is and how glowy it leaves the skin. So like this has always been like the foundation for the summertime. Like this just makes your skin look so beautiful. Look how glowy my skin looks. It literally looks perfect. All right, so that being said, we're done. And we're gonna get into this bronzer. I'm really excited. Okay. So here it is. Listen, you don't even understand. Like, okay. Okay, so there's a film that comes on it. Obviously, we don't need this. Here she is. I almost feel like she might be too dark. Oh. We're gonna try her anyways. So let me show you guys a bronzer that I used to use, but like it just takes so much building and working in, and like it barely shows up. It was the Morphe Bronzer in the color Showmance. So it looks like that, and then there's this. So you can kind of see the difference between the two. This is a little bit lighter, so it took so much building up in order to get this color to what I needed it to. Whereas this one, I feel like will hit the mark. Okay. Oh, before I do this, I should probably swatch it for you, right? Sorry guys, I'm new to this. And this is what it looks. Ooh, child. That's it. So that's what it looks like. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this angled brush from e.l.f. and oh, I think I went too hard. Okay. I'm just a little too excited. Okay. I don't even know. Okay, hold on. Okay, so, okay. Okay, I don't care. Oh! Y'all. I swear to you, like these reactions are not even, I'm not even over exaggerating. I'm literally doing this the first time with you guys. Oh, you did something. You did something with this one. Whoa, child. Okay, I might have overdone it a little bit on the floor. Okay, let's bring it down. I'm always really like, can you have on one side? Oh my gosh. I just need you guys to like the last thing I'm gonna do is just take this Lancome palette, Glow for It. It is kind of just an all over palette in the Sun Kissed Glow. Here's what the colors look like. It's so beautiful. I just don't even know what to do. Okay, I'm gonna use the same brush I used for my blush. Oh my goodness, I just can't. Wow. Okay. So I usually take this color here only because it's like a highlight brown. It's just a really natural. Oh. Okay, just calm down. Holy shit. Okay, so here it is in a different light. Ooh, that highlight's popping, but you can see it here. Oh man, this is the perfect color. And it has just enough red in it to bronze the skin. Oh, I went kind of light on the forehead, so you probably can't really see it, but just in the cheeks itself. It's not a contour, but it's just right. You can see that on the cheeks, sis. Oh, we gotta thank you. Thank you for thinking of me. Thank you. All right, guys, so that's really it for the final look. Honestly, my no makeup look minus all my pimples. But honestly, this bronzer, like, I'm crying. I'm literally crying at it's perfect. If you are my skin color or darker and you've been struggling, this is it. This could also still work for somebody that's slightly darker than me. Too much darker than me, like maybe 3 or 4 shades, this is probably just gonna be, this is gonna blend in your skin. But if you're my color or like a couple shades darker, this will work because you can build it up. And like, it is literally like, it's perfect because it has the warm reddish undertone that you need to bronze. It's not deep, it's not like the purpley undertone or like too neutral or too brown. It's like warm. I'm actually so surprised that I like it as much as I do. Like, I really was like, okay, let's see, let's see what you did. Since you're not dropping the music, let's see. You know what I mean? But she came and just said, say no more, dark skinned girls. And that's that. So that is really it for the review. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I mean, I know it's super simple. It wasn't very like over the top and into the detail. I feel like there's not really much to be said. These already released. This is just a different color. But I'm thankful she just got rid of that. She didn't get rid of, but she didn't do the cream one because it just wasn't it for us. So I'm glad she came back with the Sun Stalkr one. This is it in the sun. You are gonna listen. I'm gonna leave it here. I'll see you guys in another one.